Let's now move on and shift our focus to the latest coming in from the national capital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Economic Advisory Council to review the country's economic roadmap and discuss strategies to sustain growth amid global uncertainties. The meeting focused largely on boosting economic expansion, enhancing ease of living and ease of doing business. The focus was also on reforms, and also the idea was to understand the impact of developments, especially in West Asia, and how the developments there can really impact the Indian economy going forward. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, good afternoon. Any specific takeaway from this particular meeting? Can we expect some big, bold announcement, given that yesterday only the GDP data came out, and also the crisis in West Asia is still continuing?
Absolutely, and this is one of the most important bodies as far as economic policies is concerned. A lot of suggestions have come from members. We'll get to know more, specifically about them when they get out the meeting, and also we'll be in touch with them. But we are given to understand that it was largely on the impact of West Asia conflict on India, and not just on India, on the world as well. What we are given to understand is that Prime Minister has taken the suggestions very well, and in fact this will also be passed on to various ministries and departments and secretaries to implement, because remember, Prime Minister knows that the West Asia conflict is going to go on and no one knows how far it may go on, and the impact, as the more it stretches, the more impact it comes on India. So we need to insulate the people of the country from that particular impact, and how much can we do that? There is an informal group for that which is headed by Mr. Rajnath Singh also. They meet on a regular interval as well, and all the ministries, wherever the impact is coming, there are effort by every other also ministry to ensure that the ministry is concerns are taken care of. So it's a holistic approach that these members have spoken about. We know the growth has gone to 7.7%. We also need to maintain this momentum as far as economy's growth is concerned, and this is particularly the reason why this particular meeting at this point of time assumes significance.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story, Pragya.